Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today is Monday, February 27th, 2023. Today's weather. We have a high of 80, a low of 61, mostly sunny, and a low chance of rain. Today for breakfast, we have ham and cheese croissant, milk and juice. For lunch, quesadilla, rice, vegetables, milk and juice. Birthdays. February 17th, we had Logan Millender. February 18th, Marley James. February 19th, Hannah Adams and Ashton Beeman. February 21st, Emery Toledo. February 22nd, London Knock, Marari Guyton. February 23rd, Kipton Curd, Abigail Jones, and Bryson Knotts. February 24th, Catherine Blankenship, Laura Lynn Kirby, and Deja Barnes. February 25th, Kyrie Ford, Doriana Moore, and Roderick Johnson. February 26th, Jameson Pugh, Layla Green Martin. February 27th, which is today, Noah Nyblack, Raylan Pogue, and Laura Moore. So, happy birthday to all of you who had a birthday since we saw you last. Especially happy birthday to those friends who are celebrating today. Miss Lee's kindergarten room is going to be quite the party today with all those birthdays. Today's announcements. Dr. Seuss. We will be celebrating Dr. Seuss the week of February 27th through March 3rd. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bags and money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase snack. Uniforms. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please make sure they take off outerwear that is not in compliance with our uniform policy. If you need additional uniform policies to highlight and send home with your students, they are in the front office. Gum. We have seen an increased number of students chewing gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum in the building. Late duty today is Miss Wilborn. Tomorrow is Miss Blankenship. Important dates. This week is Dr. Seuss Theme Week. We have different themes each day. Today is Cat in the Hat Day. Also, this is Compliance Monitoring Week, and it is very likely that we will have guests in the building. March 7th are Spring Pictures, and our ACAP alternate begins. March 21st is Teacher Workday, and March 22nd is the ACAP Summative begins. Send us your questions. If you have questions, you can send those to the question box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.